And there have been mixed reactions to the issue of 51% FDI in multi-brand retail. NDA has announced a nationwide strike on 20th September against FDI in retail and diesel price hike. SP and left parties also will launch a nationwide protest on September 20th. While key UPA ally TMC has given the government a 72-hour deadline to roll back the decision, JDS has threatened to withdraw its outside support to the government. Supporting government's decision, Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit said it would create new jobs and bring in much-needed investment.
All options are open. We have cleared our position to be in the government or to not to be in the government. It hardly matters to Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee. We were with public, we are with public, and we will be with common people. So we are watching the situation. We have communicated our stand very, very clearly to the central leadership of Congress, and now on Tuesday we will be meeting. And how can I comment on anything? I think all the situation will be discussed in the meeting.
You know, this entire thing has to be seen in the context that Dr. Manmohan Singh has gone ahead on the issue of FDI in retail at a time when he is virtually in a corner and is being personally accused of the coal scam. And while taking a decision on FDI in retail, he has also gone back on the assurance which the government gave on the floor of the House that no decision will be taken on such a vital issue without taking all stakeholders on board. Mr. Pranab Mukherjee, the then Finance Minister and now the President of India, he had assured Parliament that this is a very, very important subject, and we will like to build a consensus and take everybody into confidence. And naturally, not only that he has alienated the people of India, the consumers, the farmers, the retailers, and the number runs into crores and crores, he has also alienated the entire opposition. That includes the BJP, the left parties. Every party except Congress party has virtually spoken against this latest move. And he has also alienated his own allies. And Mamata Banerjee's party, the Trinamool Congress, this is the second largest party in UPA 2 after the Congress. And they have shown their resentment, they have shown their anger, and if they withdraw their ministers, that is a very solid way, concrete way of registering their protest.
On the 20th of September, 8 parties have together called for a countrywide protest day where I think this country will shut down. There will be a strike. Other parties have also called for a general strike. But as far as we are concerned, on the FDI in retail, the battle will not be over on 20th September. We have got together to announce this All India protest action on the 20th of September, and we shall then meet again to see if this government continues to go ahead with these policies. We'll have to think of intensifying the movement and resistance against these measures.
नकली धमकी नहीं देती हैं वो। ये देश बचाया था एक बार उन्होंने, फिर मन में नोट करिए, किताब में उसको पक्का देख लीजिए, इसके बाद मत पूछना कि पिछली बार एफडीआई जो नहीं आ पाई थी, अब इनके पास बाजार चलाने के लिए कुछ नहीं बचा है, खाली पीपा है इनका, उसको बजा रहे हैं। और उसमें एक ही चीज है, अमेरिका और यूरोप के लोग लगे हुए कि आप बाजार खोलिए यहाँ का, यानी इस बाजार को चरने के लिए वो रोज खिलाफ इनके लिख रहे हैं आप। तो इसलिए ममता बनर्जी का अभिनंदन वैसे नहीं किया मैंने। तथ्य है इसके पीछे। मैं जानता हूं इसको कि एफडीआई को रोकने में हम लोग तो रोकने में लगे थे, लेकिन नहीं रोक पाते यदि ममता जी इस पर अपना मजबूती से इस सवाल पर विरोध न करते।
हम लोग ये चाहते हैं कि आम आदमी के लिए हम लोग क्या कुछ कर सकते हैं। टफ डिसीजन, अगर इसका मतलब सरकार छोड़ना होगा तो शायद सरकार छोड़ा जाएगा, बट इन सब का फैसला मंगलवार की मीटिंग के बाद ही होगा। अगर हमारे कुछ भी ऐसे कदम करने से आम आदमी को हम लोग कोई राहत पहुंचा सकें या आम आदमी को जो हुई तकलीफ, जो होने वाली तकलीफ उससे बचा सकें, उसके लिए जो भी कदम उठाना पड़ेगा वो दीदी उठाएगी।
ममता जी की पार्टी हमारी सरकार की एलआई है, और अगर हमारे किसी मुद्दे पर कोई इख्तलाफ भी है तो हम उसे बातचीत से हल कर लेंगे, बातचीत से निपटा लेंगे। हमारा अंदरूनी मामला है और हम इसको अपने घर के अंदर ही निपटाना चाहते हैं।
What it seems is that the UPA managers clearly have done their calculations when they went for this big ticket announcement pushing the reform button. The UPA ministers say that even if Mamata Banerjee pulls out support, there could be a possibility of getting Samajwadi Party on board, because Mulayam's opposition would be limited essentially to Uttar Pradesh, and that would essentially again mean that there would be some kind of quid pro quo between Samajwadi Party and the Congress. There could be some projects moving to Uttar Pradesh. Again, we have also heard from BSP chief Mayawati. She has said that she is no longer in rush. She's opposing this move by the government of FDI in retail, but she is no longer in a rush. But clearly it seems that the UPA managers are confident that they have the numbers as far as and when that requirement would come of proving the strength.